Welcome to the Flipside movement.
Welcome to the end of our 20-day adventure.
Yep, we're finishing off here at Hong Kong.
So we messed up again.
And that's our 5th castle! Woohoo! We made it, Hong Kong!
Living free, on the flip side's what we're meant to be. Adventures calling, come join the ride. See ya on the flip side. We're chasing the thrill, living free. On the flip side's what we're meant to be. Adventures calling, come join the ride. See ya on the flip side.
Give us a good morning.
Good morning, so excited. So excited. Free.
And just like that, we've made it to our 3rd Disney of the trip, Disneyland Hong Kong. And that's our 5th castle! Woohoo! We made it, Hong Kong! As we always do, we rush into the parks to get to those busy rides so we can get them cracked off straight away. We've done, what's it called? Yeah, we've done Frozen Ever After, that one's cracked off, that's ticked off the list. We've also just done Sliding Sleighs. But it's one of those, you've got to do it, you've got to tick it off. It's when the ride is over in a matter of seconds. That's the problem. We didn't realise it'd be so quick.
Welcome to Mystic Manor. Home to a world-class collection of art, antiquities, and my personal residence. I am Lord Henry Mystic. The young fellow at my side is Albert, my travelling companion, confidant, and rather mischievous Albert. Hello there. I was just looking for... Oh, there's the music box I told you about. I must find my little friend.
So we've just watched the end of the show here at Hong Kong.
Lightning, 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 lightning! Oh my god.
It's lightning here in Hong Kong on our way out of the park. Let's just see if we can get a little bit on sec before the battery runs out. Oh, yeah, there you go. Yeah, getting it.
I've seen something in the sky. Oh, it's like a horror movie.
So we've just watched the end of the show, aren't we?
Yeah.
Thoughts?
Oh, it was a very good end of the show compared to the park. It was a very good end of the show.
Yeah, disappointed with the park, end of the show. Very good, very long show, got to admit. So we're going to make our way back to the hotel now. If you haven't already done so,
give us a like, give us a subscribe, and we'll see you on the flip side. I'm going to watch the thunderstorm.
Wow. Yeah.
As we left, it was lightning.
Thundering and lightning.
Now we've come back, thundering, lightning, raining, hot.
Yep.
What's missing?
So this is how the holiday started. Sorry. This is how the holiday started. This is how the holiday's ending.
Yeah. Go out as we came in.
Yeah. One more day, Hong Kong Disneyland. And then it's home time.
Hey?
It's home time. Yeah, you can get early access tickets from about 9:30. 9:30, but actual park access to general admission is 10:30.
We did early access yesterday.
Yeah, we did.
So it gets you onto the two Frozen rides mainly.
Yeah.
And then you have to wait till 11 o'clock to get into Mystique Manor, Toy Story, and
Grizzly Gulch.
Yeah, where the Grizzly Bear ride is. So that's a bit of a Swiss really, because the entire park is in.
Yeah.
So.
But we're going to enjoy the day.
Yeah.
That's all I can say.
We came and it was raining. We're leaving, it's raining.
Yeah.
Apparently we're going home to a heat wave. So yeah. Is what it is.
Is what it is.
We're Brits aboard, aren't we? So we messed up again. There's so much information to Disney, it's too much information. You are with the hotel members, you can get in there.
Yeah.
Don't queue like us.
No,
Massive one.
we've come to the general queue. You can actually go off over to the right hand side.
Disneyland Hotel. So as you're coming in, where we queued to get what we thought was the early park access, we moved away and we went around here because we didn't think we were allowed to.
Yeah.
And yeah, we have got access that way.
Hotel. Another Jungle River cruise.
Done it all in Disney now.
We're just people watching. We're sat under a big umbrella and we're just watching people go by.
Because a lot of the outdoor rides have stopped.
Yeah.
The indoor rides are packed.
Yeah.
The restaurants to sit in, there's next to none and they're packed.
Yeah.
It's cold inside because the aircon is wet.
Out of all the trip, it's been that hot that you'll get me in the aircon. Now it's raining and it's warm. When you get to the aircon, you kind of go, oh God, I'm really not looking forward to this. So, flip reverse.
This is another flip side.
This is definitely the flip side.
You can hear the thunder, there is lightning.
The way you make me feel is frightening.
I don't know the rest of them.
There's not enough at this park. Conclusion is, it's too small. It's a day park, isn't it? It is a day park. Enough said. One of the saving graces of today, despite the weather and everything being closed, is we finally just got on Jungle Cruise, and the skipper was really good.
Mike,
Yeah, he was really funny. Big thumbs up to him. Well done.
you've just made our day. 'Cause
Yeah.
Our day was a bit sad.
Yeah. Welcome to the Flipside movement.
Welcome to the end of our 20-day adventure.
Yep. We're finishing off here at Hong Kong, and we're just making our way out the park on this.
Still sad to say goodbye regardless.
Yeah. It's very sad. It's very sad. But thank you all for watching, and please
Give us a like, give us a subscribe.
Okay, summary. Just whilst we're making this wonderful walk out
Okay.
of Hong Kong Disneyland. Shanghai Disney. Favourite ride?
Probably Pirates.
Okay. Tokyo Disneyland.
Belle and Beast.
Disney Sea.
Oh, I always get it wrong. Voyage to the centre of the earth.
Journey to the Centre of the Earth, yeah. Universal Studios.
Was it Hollywood? Jaws.
Jaws.
Jaws because I always wanted to do it.
Yeah.
But Hollywood because it's like Rip Ride Rocket and it's more thrilling. So,
Yeah.
but
Okay.
Go on.
And then here, Hong Kong Disneyland.
I'm gonna be honest with you, it's a bit flat because
Yeah.
I'll say it's really hard because there's not much to choose
Puddle.
from. Flash, 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 flash. Got the,
Yeah, there's not a
electric-
great deal to choose from, so
I'm
nothing
gonna say
really.
it's like Frozen, or it's going to end up being Frozen or the bear ride.
Yeah,
That's
the Grizzly Mountain,
it. Runaway train.
Runaway Mine Train, whatever it is. Yeah, I've got to agree. Although, I think I said it earlier, the Jungle River Cruise, out of all the
Oh, yeah.
ones, is the best here.
Yeah.
That was the best. It doesn't have the backside of water, but it was the best.
Come on, let's
Hey.
go to another Flipside adventure.